Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. PostgreSQL is a popular open source relational database management system, rdbms, and Python offers several modules to interact with it. In this tutorial, we will explore some of the best Python PostgreSQL modules and provide code examples to get you started. Using Python with PostgreSQL provides a powerful combination for building robust and scalable database-driven applications. Python's simplicity and readability make it an excellent choice for coding, while PostgreSQL offers advanced features like ACID compliance, data integrity, and support for complex data types. There are several Python modules available for working with PostgreSQL, but some of the most popular ones include Scalable 2. Scalable 2 is a widely used PostgreSQL adapter for Python. It is known for its performance, reliability, and feature completeness. SQL Alchemy. SQL Alchemy is a SQL toolkit and object relational mapping (ORM) library. It provides a high-level, Pythonic interface to interact with databases, including PostgreSQL. PG8000. PG8000 is a pure Python driver for PostgreSQL. It aims to be efficient and simple to use while maintaining compatibility with Python's DB API 2.0 specification. Async Page. If you need asynchronous support, Async Page is a high-performance asynchronous PostgreSQL driver for Python. It works well with Python's asyncio library. Before you can start using any of these modules, you need to install them. You can use pip to install them. Python offers several excellent modules for working with PostgreSQL databases. The choice of module depends on your project's requirements and your familiarity with the specific module's API. Scalable 2 and SQL Alchemy are versatile and widely used options, while PG8000 and Async Page provide alternative approaches for specific needs. Select the one that best fits your use case and enjoy the benefits of combining Python's simplicity with PostgreSQL's power. ChatGPT.